From the following information, we have to calculate the funds from operation. So as we learned, there are two methods to prepare or to calculate the funds from operation. The first one is statement method and second one is adjusted P&L method. So in statement method, we will begin with net profit, then we will add all non-fund and non-operating expenses, then we will less all non-fund incomes. Finally, we will get the funds from operation. In adjusted P&L account, we will create the opening balance of profit and loss account and also all types of non-operating or non-fund incomes are credited, and we will debit all types of non-operating or non-fund expenses and also the closing balance of profit and loss account. Then the balance sheet figure, the funds from operation is being marked. So in this question, we can choose any of this method. Either we can choose the statement method or we can choose the profit and loss account method to find the funds from operation. At first, we have to identify various non-fund and non-operating expenses and also non-fund and non-operating income. So we can see various non-fund or non-operating expenses like depreciation, goodwill written off, provision for taxation, loss on sale of land, proposed dividend, and also there are certain non-fund or non-operating income like profit on sale of furniture, interest of investment. First, we will try the statement method to calculate the funds from operation. So we will give the heading calculation of funds from operation. Now we have to prepare the table for finding the funds from operation. So the first column will be the particulars column. The second column is the amount column. The third column is also the amount column. The first item that will mark is net profit. So we will write net profit for the current year. The value is marked in third column. The amount is 44,400. So from net profit, we have to add all non-fund and non-operating expenses which is debited to profit and loss account. So we will write add all non-fund and non-operating expenses. Earlier we have identified various non-fund and non-operating expenses. So the first non-fund and non-operating expense is depreciation. The value of depreciation is 11,500. Next, goodwill written off. The value is 6,000. Next item is provision for taxation. Value is 10,000. Next, loss on sale of land. $3,400. Next, proposed dividend. $9,000. So these are the various non-fund and non-operating expenses. So you have to total it, then we have to add this value to the net profit. The total of these items will be 39,900. Now we will add this value to the net profit. So the total value will be 84,300. Now we have to less all non-fund and non-operating incomes. Less non-operating and non-fund income. Only two items given in the question. The first one is profit on sale of furniture. Value is 7,250. The second item is interest on investment. The value is 3,750. So we will total it. The total value will be 11,000. Now we have to less this value from the earlier total amount we found, that is 84,300 less 11,000. The funds from operation will be 84,300 minus 11,000. So 73,300 is the funds from operation. So in statement method we will prepare this statement in order to find the funds from operation. So first we will write the net profit, then we will add all non-fund and non-operating expenses, and we will less non-operating and non-fund income. Finally we will get funds from operation. The second method to find the funds from operation is adjusted P&L account method. So here we have to mark the debit and credit items. So there should be 4 columns. So in debit side we will write all types of non-fund and non-operating expenses, and also the net profit for the year ending. So the first item, non-fund or non-operating item, is depreciation. The value is 11,500. Then we will write goodwill written off. Value is 6,000. Then provision for taxation. Value is 10,000. This is loss on sale of land. 3,400. Plus proposed dividend. The value is 9,000. So these are the various non-fund or non-operating expenses, and finally we have to write the net profit. That is 44,400. So in credit side we have to write the various non-fund or non-operating income. So in question we can see that there are only 2 items, that is profit on sale of furniture and interest on investment. So if in question the opening balance of net profit is given, it is also marked in the credit side. So in this question the opening balance is not given, so we are not considering it. So first we will write the profit on sale of furniture. The value is 7,250 plus interest on investment, that is 3,750. Now we will find the total. So in credit side we can see that the value is very less, so the balancing figure will be the funds from operation. The balancing figure will be 73,300. So here in adjusted P&L account we will identify the various non-fund or non-operating expenses and also non-fund or non-operating income. All non-fund and non-operating income are credited and all non-fund and non-operating expenses are debited. We will write the opening balance of net profit in credit side and the closing balance in debit side. The balancing figure will be the funds from operation.